What's up, everybody? It's your boy, slightly muffled voice, Mr. Beast here. Well, not really, but kinda. We've got a video here all about making some serious cash with dropshipping. That's right, I teamed up with the dropshipping hustle crew to bring you the hottest, the trendiest, the absolute best products to sell from AliExpress in 2024. We're talking about stuff people actually want to buy, so you can rake in those sweet, sweet profits. You guys ready to dive in? Let's do it. First up, we're hitting you with electronics. This category is always on fire, and 2024 is no different. We're talking about wireless earbuds, noise-canceling headphones. Everybody wants those, right? Portable power banks, those are essential. And of course, the latest and greatest gadgets that everyone's going crazy for. Trust me, this stuff practically sells itself. And hey, we're not just talking about any old electronics here. We're talking about sourcing top quality products from AliExpress at crazy low prices. You can resell these bad boys for a hefty profit margin. It's like printing money, but way more fun. Make sure you do your research, find reliable suppliers, and boom, you'll be swimming in orders before you know it. Next up, we're diving into the world of smart homes. This stuff is straight out of a sci-fi movie, but guess what? It's real, and it's selling like crazy. We're talking about smart speakers, smart lighting, smart security cameras, you name it, people want it. Think about it, who doesn't want to control their entire house with just their voice? It's the ultimate lazy person's dream, and I'm all about that life hack. Okay, maybe not, but seriously, smart home devices are only getting more popular. Now's the time to get in on the action. AliExpress has a ton of affordable options that you can dropship directly to your customers. Just imagine the faces on your customers when they receive their futuristic gadgets. They'll be thanking you for sure. All right, let's talk fashion, because who doesn't love a good fashion haul? And guess what? Fashion accessories are always in high demand. We're talking about stylish sunglasses, trendy jewelry, hats, scarves, belts. The list goes on and on. The best part about fashion accessories is that they're small, lightweight, and easy to ship. Plus, you can find some seriously unique and stylish pieces on AliExpress that you won't find anywhere else. Remember, when it comes to fashion, it's all about staying ahead of the trends. So keep an eye on what's hot, what's new, and what people are rocking on social media. Now let's talk about something near and dear to my heart. Saving the planet and making money while doing it, that's a win-win. Eco-friendly products are blowing up right now, and for good reason. People are becoming more aware of their environmental impact and they're looking for sustainable alternatives. We're talking about reusable water bottles, bamboo toothbrushes, metal straws, all that good stuff. AliExpress has a huge selection of eco-friendly products at incredible prices. You can dropship these products and feel good knowing that you're making a difference. Trust me, this is more than just a trend, it's a movement. And by selling eco-friendly products, you're not just making a profit, you're also promoting a more sustainable lifestyle. That's what I call a real impact. Last but not least, we've got phone accessories. Let's be real, everyone and their grandma has a smartphone these days. And what do people need for their smartphones? You got it, accessories. We're talking phone cases, screen protectors, chargers, headphones, portable power banks. The list goes on and on. These are essential items that people are always looking to buy. And here's the best part. AliExpress is a goldmine for affordable phone accessories. You can find some seriously cool and unique designs that you won't find anywhere else. So, stock up your online store with a variety of phone accessories and watch the sales roll in. So there you have it, folks. The hottest products to sell from AliExpress in 2024. Remember, dropshipping is all about finding products that are in high demand and selling them at a profit. And with AliExpress's incredible selection and unbeatable prices, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to do your research, find reliable suppliers, and market your products like a boss. Now go out there, crush it with dropshipping, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on what to sell online. See you in the next video.